Hi, this is Chris from NinjaTrader. In this video, we'll walk through what order flow trading is, how it differs from standard volume analysis, and how common order flow tools are used in practice before you apply them on a trading platform like NinjaTrader. Order flow trading can help futures traders look beyond traditional price charts and understand what's happening inside the market in real time. Instead of focusing only on where price has been, order flow looks at how buyers and sellers are interacting right now, who's acting aggressively, who's waiting, and where liquidity may be building or fading. Candlestick charts summarize price movement over time, but they don't show the activity that created those moves. Order flow focuses on the behavior behind each price change by analyzing executed trades, resting orders, and shifts in liquidity. By studying order flow indicators, traders can begin to see where buying or selling pressure is increasing, stalling, or changing character. That added context helps explain why price reacts at certain levels instead of relying only on the historical price patterns. In futures trading, order flow refers to how orders enter the market, interact with one another, and ultimately get filled. Every price movement comes from an exchange of contracts between buyers and sellers. Order flow tools are designed to make that exchange visible. At a high level, order flow analysis looks at three things: market orders hitting the bid or the offer, limit orders waiting to be filled, and changes in liquidity across different price levels. This approach differs from traditional technical analysis, which often relies primarily on past price data. Order flow doesn't attempt to predict future prices, it reacts to real-time participation and helps you interpret what's happening as it unfolds. Order flow analysis is built on a few core data pieces, each showing a different side of market activity. Tape, also known as time in sales, shows executed trades as they occur, including price, size, and whether trades hit the bid or the ask. This helps identify aggressive buying and selling as trades complete in real time. Level 2 market data shows the current bid and ask prices along with the available contract sizes. This helps visualize where liquidity is stacked and how it shifts as orders are added or removed. Depth of market, or the DOM, displays resting buy and sell orders across multiple price levels. This helps assess potential support and resistance created by pending orders rather than past price action. Together, these data sources provide a clearer picture of how orders interact and how liquidity influences price movement. Order flow indicators take that raw market data and turn it into visual tools that are easier to interpret. Common examples include volume footprint charts, which display traded volume at each price level within a bar, bid-ask imbalance tools, which highlight areas where buying or selling pressure is dominant, cumulative delta, which tracks the net difference between buying and selling volume over time, and volume profiles, which show where trading activity has concentrated during a session. These tools are typically used alongside traditional charts, not as standalone signals. For newer traders, the focus is on understanding what each tool represents before deciding how it fits into a broader trading plan. Learning to read order flow is a process, and a simple structure can help reduce confusion early on. The first step is to start with one tool. Focus on a single order flow tool and take time to understand what the data represents. For example, observe how price reacts when larger market orders hit the bid or the ask. The second step is to connect order flow to price behavior. Pay attention to how price responds after buying or selling pressure appears. Notice whether aggressive orders push price higher or lower, or whether price stalls despite increased activity. The third step is to practice in a simulated environment. This allows you to observe order flow without the pressure of live trading. Focus on recognizing recurring behaviors and how order flow changes across different market conditions. Taken together, this step-by-step approach emphasizes clarity, context, and repetition, rather than chasing signals. Order flow trading also comes with limitations, especially for newer traders still developing market awareness. Futures markets can change quickly. Visible liquidity can disappear without warning, and large orders don't always lead to sustained price movement. Order flow indicators show real-time activity, not intent. That makes broader context and disciplined interpretation essential. Common mistakes include treating order flow as predictive rather than reactive, overcrowding charts with too many visuals, ignoring higher time frame structure, and reacting emotionally to short-term fluctuations. Understanding these risks helps set realistic expectations and reinforces the idea that order flow is a tool, not a shortcut. Used correctly, order flow provides a deeper look into how futures markets function beneath the surface. It adds context to price, clarifies participation, and helps traders better understand the mechanics driving market movement.